Hey, I'm excited for you to try this feature and get some feedback and see how it works. I'll give you a little bit of background on what it is, and then you can go to town with it. So, this is actually a live store that they've been using it for about 2 months. They used it during our beta period. They've actually been absolutely crushing it. They did about $340,000 in extra revenue just from the upsell in checkout click. So if you actually want to see it live, go to built.com. Built.com is the site. And so I've got a product in the cart here already. And if I just go to checkout, this is the exact offer that I am referring to that is now available only if you're on Plus, because only Plus stores have the ability to inject things like this into checkout. So this is a upsell offer in the checkout. They're giving a little bit of a discount here. You can see they've customize the call to action a little bit. I can change quantities if I want and add this to cart. So this is a live store. So a little bit about the Upsell app in general. If you haven't used it at all, you're actually welcome to use all of it. It's the Upsell and checkout feature that's new. But this is what the Upsell app does. And so, you can add upsells on a cart, and they're true upsells as well too. So if I'm buying this coffee maker and I add this to cart, an upsell actually replaces the original item that you're buying. So I'm buying this kind of basic coffee maker, and now maybe I want to upgrade to this expensive coffee maker. I can upgrade for $50 more or for $600 more. I'll just go ahead and pick the expensive one. And then it also supports funnels. And so this is a funnel. If you say yes to one thing, you can show another offer. If you say no to something, you can show a different offer. So this is a cross sell. Now I'm going to add this to my cart, and I'm going to, sure, why not, add this to my cart. So now I've ended up with the upsold coffee maker, 2 cross sells. Bold Upsell also does this. So this is a offer in the cart drawer here for gift wrapping. I can select what color gift wrapping I want right here, and I can add this to cart. So that's also something powered by Bold Upsell. And they don't have to be upsells like that. You can also just do straight cross sells. So here's a product that if I add it to cart, I can get offered just a straight cross sell. So this is not going to replace the original item. It's going to add to it. So do I want to add a grinder? Sure. And again, I can go through my different cross sells. I'll just say no thanks. And so now I'm ready to check out. I go and I hit checkout, and this will look similar to what you saw in the other store. It hasn't been customized a ton, but this is what it looks like in there. Setting this up is actually super easy. So the first thing I'll show you is in the Bold subscription, in the Upsell admin, you simply create an offer, and I've got one set up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit it in checkout offer. And so all I did was I created an internal name, which you can give it anything you want. Customers don't see that. And then you select the trigger, and there's, like I mentioned, there's all these different places you can show an offer. You can show it on the add to cart button, on the checkout button when you're in the cart drawer, which you just saw, post purchase, which you haven't seen on this yet, but you can do them as well after, and now in checkout for Plus only. And I'm choosing to show this on every single product, but you could just show it on specific products or a collection or a vendor or a smart collection or a certain product type. So like if I search for a product type, I click search, I can say select all results, for example, but I'm choosing to do this on every single product that I want to show this offer. And then I simply say, what do I want to offer in checkout? I'm currently only offering the caramel syrup, which you just saw. So there's the caramel syrup. You actually can add more than one product. Like let's just go ahead and add here, I'll add this coffee topping. I'll save that. And then there's a few settings here. Do you want to let customers add more than one product, change quantities? You can control that. You can set date ranges, etc. And then I'm going to go ahead and save that. And now I think it's pretty much instant. Actually, if I go over here and I refresh this, I think you'll probably see both offers, which I personally think is a bit much, but that's of course up to you. Now, it is a checkout block, so you can customize a lot of things on it. Just head over to your theme editor up at the top here, go to checkout. Now, if you click on checkout offer, you can choose whether or not you want it to show in the Express Shop Pay checkout, which I always think it's a good thing, but that's up to you. You can change the title, change the offer description. Do you want to let them select quantities? You can put a max quantity, which is sometimes kind of a nice psychology trick. You can say limit 6 per customer. And you actually can change where it goes too. So if this is up here above the express checkout, you can put this over by the contact information. Some people like it over here by the order summary. You've probably seen it on some stores over there. You can customize wherever you want to put it and see what converts the best. So that's how you set it up. I'm going to be sending out, if you want to try this, we're looking for feedback. You have to install the Upsell app, and then if you're installing this to give us feedback, I'm going to make it free for you for 3 months. So just let me know you installed it, reply to this email. I should know your shop URL because it should be in the thread, but just make sure I know your shop URL, and I'll go ahead and activate it free for 3 months. So you're not paying anything. It'll probably boost your sales a bunch while you're trying it, but what we really want is feedback. We've seen stores seeing incredible results. Like Built.com has seen over $300,000 in extra sales. It's wild. We have a lot of ideas already for improvement. So we've got a list, but we're looking for your ideas too. So any feedback, just email it to me. I'll compile it all and make sure our product team gets it. So thanks a lot for being a part of this, and hopefully it helps a bit, and looking forward to any feedback you have. Okay, talk to you later.